don't already have a column for our 3's, we're going to start a new column for our 3's. And now using this table, we're going to be able to just look at it and figure out what the least common multiple is. And here's how we do it. We start each column, and we're looking for the column, within the column, where the factor appears the most times. So in the 2 and 3 column, it's kind of easy because it only ever appears how many times? Once. So we circle those. In the 5 column, how many times does 5 appear, or where does 5 appear the most? 2 times, right. And it doesn't matter if you circle the 5 squared here, the 5 squared here, it'd be the same thing. So now the least common multiple you can find by multiplying or finding the product of all the numbers or all the factors that you circled. So the least common multiple will just be 2 times 3 times 5 squared. So what's 5 squared? Times 2 times 3, 150. So the least common multiple of these is 150. Now you may have been able to do this a little bit easier without making the table and just kind of thinking about it and coming up with it on your own. But this table is going to help us once we get to more complicated situations. Does anyone want to try and explain why this method works? Why if we look in each of the columns and find the greatest number of times each factor appears, the product of that ends up being our least common multiple? Anyone want to give that a shot or have any ideas? No? Okay. Well, in order to be a multiple of 10, it has to be a multiple of 2 and a multiple of 5. In order to be a multiple of 25, it has to be a multiple of 5 squared. So in order to be a multiple of 25 and 10, not only does it have to be a multiple of 2 and 5, but it also has to be a multiple of 5 squared. But we don't have to multiply the 5's together because 5 squared is just a multiple of 5. So if we want the least common multiple, we're just going to circle one thing in each column, the one thing that represents the most. Because since the one that we're circling is a multiple of all the other ones in the column, then it represents everything else in the column. So we just have to circle one factor in each column. Does anyone have any questions about that? Is that kind of confusing? Or does that make sense? Okay. We'll do another example. And this time we're actually including variables. So we're looking to find the least common multiple of a couple of monomials.